This is a new series where we try to make one unique item every month for the whole year of 2026. And today we're getting started with a bowl that we started in 2025 that I need to finish.
In the smoky light and in the rain, working through the night and through the haze, you lay it down each day with heavy eyes, just to wake again, just as tired. So may every morning find the mercy and lighting up to shine upon the fallow fields. I can see your heart beneath the dirt. You put your weary hand into the work, a needle and a thread, and in the seam, a heartbeat and a breath, to plant the seed. So may every morning find the mercy and lighting up to shine upon the fallow field. So may every blossom break into the day. Up from underneath the gravel and the clay. Lift your eyes and see above the weeds, above the war-torn dreams. I need to put your hand in mine. You're not alone. I'll be by your side through it all. So may every morning find the mercy and lighting up to shine upon the fallow fields. So may every blossom break into the day. Oh,
We started turning this probably back in the fall, and it just got to a point to where the tear out was just so bad on the inside that I just wanted to stop turning it. Probably was a little bit too far gone, but we've had some bowls turn out excellent from this lot. This block of wood just does not take the carbide very well. So I got it as clean as we could get it with our bowl gouge, filled in the heavy punky areas with a little bit of Starbond CA glue. So we're gonna leave this for tonight, probably hop back on this Friday. Wasn't much, but we did get it sanded to a okay point. This wood probably shouldn't have been made into a bowl, a little bit too far gone, but will be a nice decoration piece. And I got to redo the outside. These are tool marks that weren't really showing up before we put finish on. I'm actually happy we took the time to recut this. I like the profile better. I've changed up my sanding routine. I used to stop at 220, so I've upped it to 400. Finally, after, say, 6 months, we started this thing. I think that was back in September. We are in January. This thing is beautiful. Not perfect. Actually kind of adds to the rustic vibe to it. What should we do with it? Should we sell it? Should we give it away? Should we have a contest? Let me know. Best option down below will be what we do with it. But thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe. We are 1 month in to our 12-month challenge. Kind of put the pressure on myself to get this done. It's just been sitting behind us on stream, but now it's a functional bowl. We've got the whole rest of 2026 to go. So I'll talk to you guys next time. Thanks for stopping by. As always,